Kubor ki babnya. Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kelas Dangia ke Jingialang Jong Kynhun Myntri haso arah ni ke Sngi hakabalawan penishim benta da Myntri rangba ke jelau konret ke sangma bat ki dukot ki Kynhun Myntri lembat ki he Sorkar. Kajing temu Jong ke ke program kalong ban ai ya kerensan ki tenat Sorkar bikin la ban pensyai pat ba ki program pat ru ban tirnia lor kumnu ban trelang kenang ban la ban kenjo ke thong bat ki jing temu. KHASI ke baar ki dukot ke Kynhun Myntri kan selection nong riat but lat kan so mani kendua ki dukot jong ki self help group.
Number one, the entire issue that is being brought in is completely incorrect. There is no question of any amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of IMA trying, that is Invest Meghalaya agency, trying to bypass any authority, agency or the district councils or anybody or the Rangbashnaus. There is no question, as I said, of land being bought directly by the private investors. This is all incorrect and absolutely incorrect information. IMA is a government of Meghalaya's Invest Meghalaya agency. It is like MTDC, like an MIDC, like MECL. It is another authority of the government of Meghalaya.